Create the folders. Define the various groups. Create a new activity. Indicate the quantity. Define the activity duration graphically. In this same way, create further groups and activities. Move the activity along the timeline and divide it into further periods. Connect activities and periods, defining critical paths and processes. Define the periods. Left mouse button click and the right arrow key to move the selected and following periods. Left mouse button click and the left arrow key to shift the selected and the previous periods. Left mouse button click with left and right arrow keys to shift the current period, the previous and following periods.